So this will be attached right here. I just didn't feel like cleaning up and doing everything like that. All 6 of these bolts will be attached to the base of the Ghost Gunner. You'll take your 1/4 by 20 by 1 1/4 bolt, put it through this hole in the back, add your indexer, then you will take a blank tube. You will thread in your tube adapters on each side and use the spanner wrench to tighten it. Then you will attach the tube to the indexer, screw this in by hand, and you'll take your 1/4 by 20 by 1 inch bolt. We'll put it in where it says tube. Do the same thing. Hand tight until there's nothing left, and then you'll tighten it up with the 11mm. That's how you install the tube.